I'm just happy to be sawing finally. The rain is over with until probably Wednesday or Thursday, so I'll have a chance here to work on some of the timber I had up here at the farm ready to go. This first log is going to be black walnut. I'll probably end the day out on that one and start out tomorrow with this white oak. I've got about 3 massive white oak timbers behind me ready to go after this one. And they're going to take a lot of work to get those sawed up. They're pretty massive. They're 10 foot long and 30 inches plus through the middle. So I'm going to have to nibble off the sides just to get them through the Wood-Mizer's cutthroat here. That log looks horrible. That thing looks terrible. Most of the bark peeled right off of it. It's been down for about, I think, almost 1.5 years when I cut this tree down over here at the farm. It's ready to be sawed. Ain't no doubt about that. The bark just came right off. As you can tell by that footage, the log is nowhere near straight. It's not a good saw log when you think about good straight logs. It's got a big curve in it, but there's a lot of crotch figure hiding in there. We're going to bring it out. What I'm going to have to do is cut it where the sweep is. I'll have a 5-foot timber and about a 3.5 to maybe a 4-foot timber left. And that's what you have to do sometimes to save these walnuts. They don't grow straight all the time, and sometimes they're crooked, and this tree was definitely crooked. And this is the top cut out of that tree, but it's definitely worth the time and effort to go after. Tell you what now guys, from a little log like that looked terrible, that most people would turn into firewood, that's some really nice crotch figure right in here. And I think the top timber will be better than this one. This one turned out really well. We got 3 9/4 slabs out of this, and they're about 5 feet long. So a little bit of finagling when the air dry and stuff like this because it's shorter. But it's well worth the effort here because this is some good walnut here. Can't beat it. Some really nice crotch figure right here in both these slabs. The top slab didn't have it, but these bottom two do have the crotch figure. This is really nice.